Look what I just got in. This is from PS Engineering. In my last video, I was telling you about the avionics I was putting in, and somebody reached out and said, you need to take that 340, set it to the side, get the PS Engineering, this one's the 8000BT Bluetooth, and he said it's way better, and it'll do tons of other things that the 340 will not do. The biggest one, well, there's lots of biggest ones. One is it's got Bluetooth, so I can stream in Bluetooth and use my phone as an intercom with my headset. I'm really looking forward to that. The other is I can have a pilot talking and a co-pilot talking, and then the pilot and co-pilot can be talking without everybody in the back being in there, whereas the 340 only has a pilot and everybody else. That's it. Really looking forward to that. There's also some witchcraft that's in this to make the sound much cleaner, much clearer than the 340. They've got patents and all kinds of other awesome things. Here we go. Unboxing it. I haven't looked at this yet, so we've got the connectors, the back plate, a whole bunch of those little pins in there. Now, this is the unit itself. See what we got here. So yeah, there it is. Comes with the sleeve. Here's your inspection certificate. Look at that. Ooh, something new in this old airplane. That's going to be exciting. Oh, I can't wait. And he did mention that it does plug and slide right into the 340 tray, so there's no wiring that I need to redo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and wire everything up. I'm going to have the 340 in there, and then I'm going to slide it out, take this one, slide it in, and then do a test on this one to see the difference, and we'll record that so you guys can see the difference as well. I'm really looking forward to that one. If anybody else out there has connections or suggestions of things that should go into this airplane to replace or maybe be a better upgrade for the money, now remember, I'm not going to go spend $1 million on this thing in avionics and little shiny bits, but I will gladly have good deals on avionics and put them in there and test them out. Why not? So, thank you. Please hit that subscribe button. Send me a comment, let me know what you think, let me know things that you see that we can be doing better, little tricks and tips that you know on how to make your airplane ownership experience the best one ever. Thank you.